Hi everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Happy Teacher. I have successfully taught over 50,000 students on Udemy. And in these next 2 minutes, I'm going to very easily and quickly show you how to make your website compliant with GDPR regulations. So here goes. Step number 1. Make sure your website is encrypted with an SSL certificate. You can usually get one from your web host, but if you don't have web hosting, I recommend using Gator, as they provide a free SSL certificate with all their plans. So what is SSL? Well, it basically gets rid of that non-secure warning you may see in your browser and replaces it with that nice looking padlock instead. This is essential for 2 reasons. Firstly, it gives your customers confidence that their data is secure, and secondly, it will boost your ranking with search engines. So, boost your SEO. Step number 2. You're going to need one of those lovely privacy policies, and quite possibly a cookie policy too. But unless you're a legal expert, where do you start? We can generate a policy online which is tailored to your individual business needs. The company I like to use is called Get Terms, and here's why. It's super easy to use, and you can personalise it to your business with this handy tick box system. Just go through all the steps and it's emailed to you at the end. I'll even include the links to these suggestions in the description below in the video, so you can go straight to all these sources. Step number 3. Once you have these policies in place, they then need to go onto your website. Now if you're using Wordpress, I would use the Elementor page builder, because in their system you can create a beautiful looking cookie policy for your personal website and personalise it. But if not, don't worry, I can also recommend a WordPress plugin in the description below, which will work just as well. And there you go. In 2-ish minutes, we've made a big step forward into making your website GDPR compliant. Remember though, these are just suggestions. So if you have any doubts or any questions, please seek independent legal advice. But there you go, and thanks for watching.